ka Congress Party hapo ka Jilla Meghalaya kala Pynmih ka National Talent Hon ha Congress Bhawan Shillong ta President ka MPCC uba Vincent H Pala kani ka day ka bynta jong program jong ka EICC panwat iksamla puli kinong puli ba professional ka badan sam ba Matthew Anthony na ka EICC ulaong ba Congress ka kwa ban ailat iksamla kibala ban keren ajing mut ba tray na ka bynta kikendon pakongsan jong Constitution India lakaduru bahaga Meghalaya kidon pun kisamla bakansai bakani ka platform kani rap ban mi shakman ka coordinator ka jilla ka kong unika kala pentip ba kajing register kalong na duk ashtarik hadu ushpotrik uno pra ka screening hakadu trik uno pra kata ka group discussion bat ka interview kalong hakhat santai uno pra shlong haka jubab ikjing kali Matthew Anthony ulong ba katalen hon kadai ban aisur biang ka Meghalaya Delhi ba Vincent Palapat ula kunturu ban pinsafriang yakani nak pentak samla ka jalla
PCC on behalf of the EICC representative, we welcome you. The purpose of the press conference today is the EICC. They have sent a leader from Delhi here for launching of a talent hunt program. This is all India basis. For that purpose, we are here. So before we give further, I think we should all listen. Will be, I think, elaborated by Matthew Anthony and by Madam also, Anika. So I hand over the mic to Matthew Anthony for the purpose of Telangana, what for it is, how it will be working, and how should we proceed in the party. So Matthew, please.
And the Communications General Secretary, Sanjay, and my dear friends. It's a different role. I'm here today, and the National Talent Hunt was launched by the Congress Party with the guidance from our President, Sri Mallikarjun Kharge, and our Leader of Opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, along with the communications team of Sri Jaram Ramesh and Pawan Khera, that it was important for us to attract the youth as well as the educated people into the party, where we understand with the new age politics, communication is a key. And this is an invitation for all the people who love a secular India, who believe in this Constitution of India, who believe in the ideology of the Congress, to come and participate with us. They have a brilliant space with us to showcase their articulation skills as spokespersons, their research skills as a research coordinator, and their PR skills as a media coordinator. And we would like to see this message going across the states, across the country, through all the states. That's why we are here, and we see, especially in the state of Meghalaya, there's a lot of interest in the Congress Party right now, and we would like to see how this is being received, and we use this opportunity to announce this opportunity to all the educated, experienced, intellectual and other experienced minds of people in the state of Meghalaya to come and be with us, participate with us, join us, and enjoy the beauty of one of the biggest and the oldest party of India, which has got the freedom of this country and which has developed the country to this level. And that's what it is like. And the further execution of the program, Onika, who is the state coordinator, will explain it to you. Thank you.
Game changer, it seems. And yes, people are interested. People want to voice their opinion. Looking at the present scenario of the country as to how one government is trying to dismantle the constitution, you name it and everything, and they're trying to change things as per their convenience. And we did hear people wanted to join Congress, wanted to speak about it, so we felt what good platform better than allowing them to come and raise their voice, where there's transparency and accountability, where there's there anybody can come up and apply for it and then be the voice of the Congress. Obviously, there's going to be a time frame for that. The time frames have been defined as to when will be the launch and how we are going to send across the Google Forms. How will we reach? How does it reach to to every corner of Meghalaya? And we want maximum participation in it. Yes, the criteria have been laid, and the thought behind is the selection criteria would be like commitment to Congress values and ideology, clear thinking, quick response, strong control over language, communication, their political awareness, proper knowledge of history. These are the broadly parameters where we are going to assess people who want to voice their opinion and be a part of the Congress party. The dates, as pointed out, as finalized by all of us here, with the help of the President. 1st December today we are launching and starting the application. It will be shortly all over in Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, everywhere. The Congress Party and its members will try to spread the word so that everybody is able to participate in it. Nobody is left out. And the last date for the application will be 10th of December. And 11th of December, we'll be doing the screening of the application. We'll shortlist as to who is applicable and who has that ability. A little broad-based scrutiny will be done. And by the 15th, and on the 15th, the state-level physical interview and group discussions will be held to give the final analysis as to who has been, selected as a part of this national talent hunt. It is done all over the country, nationwide, every state. It's done in 2 phases. The first phase we are doing it. We've done in Assam, we're doing in Meghalaya and other cities and other places. And I'm very confident there's going to be a lot of people who come forward to raise their voice, as the country, as I said, is reeling under a lot of issues, be it unemployment, price rise, to changing of the constitution, or disturbing in terms of diversional politics that's been done by the Modi government, and we need to raise the voice against it. And I'm grateful that the President has given us this opportunity and called the media. I look forward and appeal to you too, that you being the voice of the country, you being the main leaders, to show the right path without any tilt towards anybody. We expect the media to whatever the meeting that you've done today, to spread it as much as you can and be a part of this campaign to bring about a change. Thank you so much.
National Talent Hunt in Meghalaya, because we want to bring some people from Meghalaya who are interested to join us at the international level. So I have a special request that we will not take other issues, because otherwise it will dilute the
Essence of
the intention of the program today.
How do you know I'm not asking about this issue?
No. You can come. I'm always here. You can come any other time.
Well, I need to ask you one query, that what it is all about, because you have explained the thing definitely, but what exactly the person who is participating has to do, what it is all about, and how this is going to affect Meghalaya, why you are launching it in Meghalaya?
As I said, we are 8, and wherein we want all the states to participate in this. And as we showed the poster, there's a barcode here. The moment you click on that, a form comes out, the Google form. There are a number of questions in it, and when you fill the question, it will come to the committee, and from there we will see who all are filled and what is the background of the person. That's how the first process begins.
It's a simple Google form.
Region for the Congress Party. And if at all you look at the history of Meghalaya, it is the Congress Party which gave the statehood. It is the Congress Party which gave the foundation for the state of Meghalaya. It is the Congress Party which built the entire initial infrastructures for the state of Meghalaya, and it is important for the Congress Party to have the voice of Meghalaya having its representation at a national level. We have so many educated people here, and it is important for us to now showcase it, because you look at NPP being affiliated to the BJP is being sidelined at every nook and corner, and if at all they want to do anything, they are not allowed by the BJP to showcase the voice of Meghalaya. So it is for the Congress Party to highlight the voice of Meghalaya by highlighting the talents of Meghalaya. And that is why the exercise has been launched in the state of Meghalaya.
But
In which BJP has been projecting is India got freedom only after 2014. And you and a lot of the media were falling to that song also. Whereas the country was built painfully, brick by brick, brick by brick. Everything from 1947 or before by the Congress party. Nobody realized that. Now, again the Congress party is taking the first step to take the voices of the people of the Northeast, and now from the state of Meghalaya, we are launching it in the state of Manipur. It's already there in Assam. Tripura is getting launched, and after the Christmas it will be launched in the other states of Northeast also. So, it re-emphasizes the importance and the significance which is given by the Congress party to the Northeast side of India.
How many youths are you expecting that will join this?
As much as rightly said, educated people of Meghalaya and keenly interested in voicing opinion, definitely they're going to come up. And many are even shifting sides. They don't even like what the BJP has done to the country and what they're doing to the state here.
You have a patience by 10 to 11.
Yes, we'll let you know.
And to specifically, to the Congress party in the state of Meghalaya. And that's a motivation for us to launch in the state of Meghalaya, because we have been receiving lot of calls, a lot of interest to be a part of the Congress ideology. And that's what we'll come to you.
I said.
Because, after Purnam Sangma, who was the last central minister from the state of Meghalaya? I'm asking you. No, not like this. Name it.
Pala.
Name
Vincent
it.
Pala.
Louder.
Vincent
So
Pala.
you have the answer for that one. We have, the Congress party has given you. Now BJP is with LPP. Can you tell me a central minister from Meghalaya? So who is the party which is respected all along the state of Meghalaya? And who was the party which has respected the minorities of the Northeast? He was the Minister of State for the minorities. So we claim with a lot of pride that it is the Congress party which has given space for the talents from the Northeast, and we continue to do that.
See, our intention is who are interested. That exactly what Madam has said, that this is a platform not only for the people of Meghalaya, for all India hunt for talents. So it is a space for everyone, and we request you press also to spread this news.
They can also apply.
That's the tagline.
Yeah.
Anything?
You love it.
On television?
That I think so. You're done with it.
We respect the fourth estate
Thank
talents.
you.